Hi guys, my name is Mithun, and in this YouTube channel I'm gonna show you how to actually add webcam and screen recording sources simultaneously in OBS. After watching this YouTube tutorial you will be able to add your screen recording, and on top of that you will also be able to add a different source that comes from your webcam that you can also embed inside of the video without actually exporting these two videos separately. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Right off the bat, I'm just going to give you a warning about OBS. OBS is a really complicated software if you don't know how to use it. For me, it is a fairly simpler software because I've been using it on and off since ages. Although I have actually switched from OBS to PepperCloud because PepperCloud actually has a lot more features, and in my particular use case scenario I don't actually use screen recording softwares or even OBS to record anything other than my computer's browser windows. So PepperCloud actually fits this profile really well. So if you don't want to install OBS and you're tired of dealing with all these settings and features and configurations, go check out PepperCloud and give it a try. Moving on, as you can see on my screen I have the OBS software opened up. If you don't have OBS installed on your computer, just head over to obsproject.com and download the software and install it on your computer. Since OBS is actually open source, it is available for both Mac and Windows operating system. You can also use it on the Linux operating system without any problem. Installations process is also really simple. All you have to do is click on next, accept the privacy policy, and it will be installed within 2 minutes. After you install the software and when you open it for the first time, this is how it is going to look like. So before you do anything, you have to go to the source panel in which you will have to add sources for the multimedia to be captured. For example, let's say that you want to capture the screen recording, then you will have to select the screen recording from this particular source, and I'm going to show you how it is done just in a second. So you don't need to actually touch anything other than this particular panel if you are actually starting out as a streamer. In order to add the screen recording, just click on this plus icon in the sources panel and head over to the display capture. You can actually rename this display capture to whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it def display recording and hit save. Now as you can see that it has automatically selected the capturing method, and it has also selected the primary monitor of my computer which outputs 2K resolution. So I'm just gonna click on OK because I don't think you'll have to do anything in this particular window. It is going to be automatically selected for you, and you don't have to do anything. Just click on to the OK button, and after that OBS will start recording the screen. As soon as you want to capture the screen, just click on the start recording button and it will start capturing the screen as well. Now the second option is to add the webcam. Before adding the webcam, I would like for you to add the microphone, because most of the streamers who upload content today, they actually use a separate microphone for their recordings. Because the problem is that with inbuilt microphones, even in your DSLR and even in your web cameras, the voice quality is not that good. So I always recommend adding an external microphone. In this case, I'm using a really affordable condenser microphone. If you have a budget to spend on the dynamic microphones, you can do that as well. So I'm gonna click on this plus icon and add my audio input capture as well. As soon as you click on the audio input capture option, it will show you a window with a bunch of options that you can select from. These are all the microphones that are available in your computer. I'm going to select the microphone, which is the USB condenser microphone, and I'm going to click on OK. Now as you can see that it has already started capturing the audio, and everything seems to be working fine. Now the third and the last option that you want to do is capture the webcam. So in order to capture the webcam of the device, you'll have to click on the plus icon and select the video capture device. Create a new video capture device and click on OK. Right now, as you can see that it is actually showing a blank screen because my video capture device, which is my DSLR, is actually being used by a different screen capturing software. And the problem with the webcams and DSLR cameras that are attached to the computer is that if you're actually using the device in any other software, it is not going to let you use it on another software. So for that reason it is not visible here, but if you have a webcam it will be visible here. And if it is not visible and none of the softwares that you use to stream or record on your computer aren't using the webcam or your DSLR connected to your computer, you may need to see if the device is working or if it is properly connected to the computer. So I will select the OK option and boom. Now after that the webcam should be available here, but unfortunately it is not available in my case. But believe me, if you have a webcam, let me show you. I have a webcam that's not functioning properly, so I'm going to show you how it works using that particular webcam. Just go to the Windows Capture 2 device. Let's reconfigure this one and go to C250. So right now, as you can see, this is actually showing the ceiling of my room, and this is the camera pod that is actually used to fix my DSLR camera. So now the DSLR is not being used by OBS, and it's actually my webcam that is being used. So you can see the footage. Now you can resize it and you can place it anywhere you want. And this is actually being recorded as we speak. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can just add a bunch of settings and features and effects to this particular webcam or the screen, and click on the start recording button. It will actually start recording the screen, and since I am actually viewing OBS itself, that's the reason why it is showing this type of weird screen on my computer. But if you are actually recording something, or if you are recording the tutorial or any type of presentation, OBS will actually capture that presentation instead. After recording is completed, just click on the stop button and the recording will be saved onto your videos folder wherever you selected. So that's how you actually record your screen using OBS, and you can also capture the webcam using this particular tutorial. But the problem that I face while using OBS to capture the webcam and the screen of my computer is that the default webcams that you can actually purchase from Amazon aren't of really high quality, which means that they are going to output 720p resolution videos, which is not good enough in today's day and age. But if you have to spend money on a DSLR, you'll have to spend at least $600. On top of that, you'll also have to get the Elgato Cam Link, which is a tiny USB stick type of thing that actually lets you stream directly to your computer using your DSLR. So keep that in mind if you want to actually spend money on quality equipment, and you want to make sure that whatever you actually record on your screen and capture the webcam footage is really of high quality. So that is my tutorial on how to add your screen recording and your webcam simultaneously on OBS without breaking a sweat. If you have any doubts, please drop them in the comment section below. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar updates. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.